Bharadwaj has been a second home ever since I was a student, and it has always continued to remain a home away from home. It has been a place which has been my next family and also given me my first place to start career as a professional. I can always say that I am proud to be a Bharadwaj.
Bharadwaj. It's not about academics, it's about an experience. My association is from 2005 and I'm probably the first batch of students of Bharadwaj. And it all started in a very small premise and with just one faculty, and we were only about 10 of us. And from there on, no looking back. Certain things are very special for each one of us. The first school, the first college, our first post-graduation, our first job. And these will continue to remain very important chapters of our life. And Bharadwaj, I'm sure, is going to be one such important chapter of everyone's life, whoever is associated with it. And for me, it's even more special because in every stage of my life, Bharadwaj has played a very significant role. When the moment you're associated with Bharadwaj, your transformational journey begins there. It has taught me how to differentiate my profession and passion and how to balance them and how to make it very beautiful. There have been circumstances where I had to discontinue my career, but Bharadwaj has kept me a very positive, a very strong person by just enabling me to continue my passion, teaching. I'm very proud to say that I am a Bharadwajian. I am part of this very great man-making institution.
Hi all. Congratulations for our Bharadwaj Institute for completing the 15th year of service to the education industry. And I am completing my 11th year in Bharadwaj Institute as a faculty for the CS and CMA. Men may come, men may go, the Bharadwaj will remain forever. Proud to be a Bharadwajian.
Starting from my journey as a student to a faculty at this institute has been one of the most memorable events. Right from the classrooms, sitting up, taking your notes, attending various sessions from 6 to 6, today taking classes at 6:30 in the morning. Wow, that's been one of the most fantastic things. When you are there, you are taken care of. It is more of a temple than a study place. To me, I've thoroughly enjoyed this 10 years. PC sir, Vatsan sir and Desigan sir have altogether contributed in my career. And as a student and now as a faculty, it's all that we wish that Bharadwaj moves further, long years with a greater heights.
This is a very proud moment for us at Bharadwaj Institute. I've been associated with Bharadwaj for more than 10 years now as a faculty, and before that as a student. Bharadwaj Institute has been an extended family to each and every one of us, to all the faculties here, to the admin, to the students also. We believe in serving our students with humility and with passion. That's why we don't call ourselves as faculties. We call ourselves as knowledge sharers. These moments of togetherness and bonding cannot be explained. It can only be experienced. So come join us. Be a part of Bharadwaj. Proud to be a Bharadwajian.
Extremes. We are a perfectly professional organization. At the same time, we are friendly, approachable. We behave like a friend, guide and a philosopher to the students. We are professional yet personal. When I think about Bharadwaj, it is where both the extremes meet. I love this institute for a very simple reason, that we make the students enjoy the subject. At the same time, we ensure that they are ready for the examination. Professionalism, personal touch. We put the students above anything else. This is why I love this institute so much, and I hope you do also.
Bharadwaj Institute is nothing but a people-friendly organization and an ethical organization. These are the two important words I would like to tell about Bharadwaj Institute. They have helped me in infrastructure management. They have helped me in introducing new areas, introducing new services. Whatever I wanted to do, all forms of support has been given by the institute.
Bharadwaj is been the place where I got exposed myself to start with. I joined the institute in 2009 as a CA student, doing CA CPT at that time. I did my inter and final and my CS foundation and my intermediate there with the institute, and currently now I'm handling classes there for the foundation stream. It's been a wonderful experience with the institute so far. The way the institute has helped me to build myself professionally as well as personally is beyond words to compare. I wish to continue my association with the institute for as long as it is possible.
This would have not been possible if not for the sincere and honest commitment of faculty members backed up with a good administrative team. So hats off to all of them. I pray God for more success in all the future endeavors of Bharatwaj. I'm proud to be a Bharatwajian.
I am associated with a good number of institutions, but when I come to Bharatwaj Institute to deliver my lectures, I always feel that I am at home. There is so much of emotional connect within the team members and all the faculty members. I am really proud to be a part of this wonderful academy and proud to be a Bharatwajian.
Which I like, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of gratitude. Yes, every Bharatwajian owes this feel of gratitude for their rich learning and experience at Bharatwaj. I pray and fondly wish this institute a great journey in their service of enriching the lives of the young generation, the future citizens of the country.
It's our home, so we will be with Bharatwaj always. So definitely it's a great feeling. Very happy to come before you on this 15th year. We will be serving you students fraternity, continue in a great manner. We are very happy in meeting you students and committing our social responsibility. Thank you. Wish you all the best.